Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I have a new Cricut digital mystery box to share with you, and this is a Marvel digital mystery box. Now, this is a particular set of Marvel images that Cricut has put together for this mystery box, and for a limited time only, it's available to get all of these images I'm going to show you for only $24.99. Yep, only $24.99 to get all of these. Now, later on, these images may be sold, as different sets, but they'll cost a lot more to buy all the same ones. So now's the time to grab this. If you are a premium access member subscriber, you get an additional 10% discount because that is one of your perks that you get about being a premium access member. If you're not a premium access member, I'll put a link up where you see the description of the video so that you can take a look at that. Also, I appreciate it if you use my link to make your purchase if you're going to grab this today. And this is for a limited time only to get it as this set. So let's take a look at what you get. The first image set has 50 images and it is the Marvel Avengers Assemble Part 2. Now, yep, there was a Part 1 that was in a digital mystery box a few months ago, and this is Part 2, so these are additional images and also emblems. These are great for paper layered projects. Some of these are going to be really great images for, like, I could totally see this like on a t-shirt or something. All of your Avenger fans are going to love this. I love Captain America, so I'm super excited for some of these. And so just to give you an idea, that's what the Marvel Avengers Assemble Part 2 is included in this digital image set. All right, the next one that you're going to get, Spider-Man. Yep, Spider-Man. There's 31 images. Now, some of these are going to be great for, doing more vinyl work. Others will be great. You may want to use it for doing your paper piecing projects. And there's even some draw images. So those are the ones, the line drawings there. But I'm just going to scroll through. Very cool, very cool. And guess what? You could even use that spider web for Halloween's coming up, or maybe even one of the spider emblems or something. So this could be versatile too. But I love Spider-Man. I hope you guys love Spider-Man as much as I do. He's my favorite. All right, so let's see. The next digital image set that you get as part of this is the Spider-Man, the Kawaii. Now, I learned something new, and that is that Kawaii means cute in Japanese. So you got a little lesson today. If you didn't know that, Kawaii means cute in Japanese. So these are the Spider-Man cartoons, I guess. They're more cartoon-like, that they're cute images of the Marvel images. So really adorable, very fun. And you can see that some of these have the front and back layer on them, so you could layer them and use them to make decorations or those kind of things with them would be fun as well. So those are the images, the Marvel images that are included in the digital mystery box. It's only $24.99. Thanks for using my link to make your purchase. It helps support me continuing to make videos for you guys. Come join me over in the Let's Learn Cricut Explore Facebook group or in the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group. Hope you guys have an awesome day and enjoy your Marvel images. And remember, it's limited time only to grab these as a set like this. Bye.